Hey guys, it's Heather. I've been in search of jewelry pieces that I can wear to sleep, to shower, to swim, basically to live my entire life in without ever having to take off. Jewelry is cool. Jewelry makes your outfit look more put together, but my problem is my jewelry always ends up tarnishing or turning my neck green. In my search for better jewelry, I have discovered that I need to buy better material items, basically sterling silver or actual gold. With that in mind, the first brand that we landed upon was Chrome Hearts. I really like the look of Chrome Hearts. They look super cool and I'm just into that vibe right now. But when I looked up the prices of these items, oh my gosh. Wow, a necklace that is like $1,000. I get it. Apparently they last for a really long time. Real 925 silver. But I don't know if it's necessarily worth the price that it is for what it is. And what if, like, I don't know, I change my style and aesthetic quite a bit? What if I eventually like outgrow this necklace? That'd be so bad. Imagine outgrowing $1,000 necklace. So we continued along the path and landed upon Vivienne Westwood. I don't know why I said it like that. Vivienne Westwood. Vivienne Westwood, I also very much like the look. It's kind of giving the same vibe, you know? The cross, the sterling silver. Vivienne Westwood definitely is a little bit more soft, more girly, more orbs. And the price of Vivienne Westwood makes a little bit more sense for what I'm going for, I think. If you don't know my girl Vivienne, she sells very cool clothes, very cool jewelry. Rest in peace, but the brand is still around and going strong somehow. And yeah, very Chrome Hearts, but orbs, and I'm about it. But costume jewelry. I guess Vivienne makes costume jewelry and some of her items are 100% brass. I don't know if I would ever buy a brass piece. I don't think that's ever gonna happen because I don't know, I don't take care of jewelry that well. I kind of am the type of person where it just stays on me because if I take it off, I will lose it. And that doesn't work well with brass. You shouldn't shower with brass, sweat in brass. You take it off and only wear it for like occasions. Hence why I think it's called costume jewelry. I don't know. But so I did a lot of research into what pieces of hers are gonna be full silver. I guess they only come every once in a while and per collection. They usually only have one. We copped the one that they do have. This is how it comes. Oh my god. Isn't that so cute? Like, yes. And then that's what the inside looks like. We got two pieces. Two. I'm so freaking excited. Oh my gosh. It comes with like a little card. Oh, okay. So apparently, you know if it's real 925 silver if they send you this like wipe thing for it. This is like one of those cloths similar to ones for like your glasses or whatever. That's kind of how it feels to me. But look at that. She is nice, she's soft, yes, but I hear the brass pieces don't get one. I don't know, haven't ordered a brass piece, so let me know in the comments if that is true or not. We have, this is like, oh my gosh, kind of a blind unboxing. One's a necklace, one's a ring. Which one should be open first? Let's go this one. They are kind of the same weight. Kind of weird. Oh, Jess. It's so cute. Oh, and then I think we have like a little mini care card. It's so petite. Yes. Okay, 10 out of 10 for the packaging. 10 out of 10. Look at that. We got a little cute booklet. Apparently every item is finished by hand. It sounds like it kind of starts off like hard manufactured, but then it's finished with the nice hands. Yes, and then it tells you how to take care of the sterling silver. Looks like you just clean it down with the cloth they give you. This packaging alone is 10 out of 10. I'm in love already. Chrome Hearts better be giving you the same treatment too for like how much their stuff is priced. Alright. Oh, the little pouchy. So cute. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, that's kind of bad. It came out kind of bad. Oh no. Let me untangle this and then we'll do this again. I guess that's the downside of it coming in like a pouch, is it came a little bit tangled. Being gentle, but let's do it again. Oh, look at that! Vivienne, you have outdone yourself. The little orb, oh my god, it's so cute. Look at the little clasp, oh my god, that is so adorable. I'm literally in love, oh my god. And then like the little plate, I literally see why the girlies love this. Like just the hand details, like the orb. At first, I didn't know how I felt about the bow because I was afraid it was gonna be like big and obnoxious, but like it's perfect. Should we put it on? Yes. I think the only, I don't know though. It doesn't look like they would fall out easy, but I would say that's the downside of this model, is that it comes with like the gems on the bows, which I don't know if I love gems all the time because they tend to fall out, but maybe it's different because it's Vivienne. But yeah, so cute, so cute. Let's put it on. One thing though I heard is that apparently it's really hard to clasp and unclasp, and I have nailies, so let's see. Let's actually put this to the test. If I can do it in nails, you can do it too. We're gonna, oh, I might have to look into a mirror real quick, guys. Yeah, I'll be RB. Okay, we're back and it is on. Oh my god. Do you guys see this? She's beautiful. So beautiful. 10 out of 10. Oh my gosh. I feel like a princess. It's totally like, I don't know. It's very different from what I normally would go for, and I think that's why I'm totally in love with it. Like, this is the cutest coquette princess combo, and oh my gosh, I just love that it's also like 925 real silver. Oh my gosh, apparently under the orb and stuff, it should have like the 925 stamp. I don't know. I didn't check, I just put it on. I'm just gonna check it later and hopefully it is on there. But I'm in love with it. Oh my god. And look at the back, because it has like the little orb thing. Can you see? It's so cute. Hopefully you guys can see that. But I'm just so in love. Oh, yes. And I love that it's like a little bit higher. I don't know if I love it when like necklaces hang super low. This is like a good length. I feel like, yes. Yes, I'm in love. Vivienne, you outdone yourself. Alrighty, and now we're on to the next box. Yes. Same kind of thing. We got like the little cardo. That means this is the ring. Oh my god, look. That is so cute. I got it in a size, I forget what size this is. It's like a size 6 maybe. Okay, I think it's gonna fit. Oh, it's a little loose right there. Okay, it's for sure my middle finger ring. I think it's a good size too. It's like, if my finger swells up, it'll stay. But yeah, oh my god. Isn't she pretty? Look at that. I'm so in love. Oh, look at the sets. Slaying. I love it. I'm very happy with my Vivienne Westwood purchases today. Definitely gonna be on the lookout for more pieces now. And so hopefully we will do another unboxing soon. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!